Second, you will have enough and sufficient water cannons. In Ramlila, they did not, and the court frowned upon that. You will have enough water cannons as the first step. Here they had one water cannon, which from what I understand was not deployed at all. Tear gas will be the last option and you will not deploy it. They threw it at mothers, wives, small children. There are men standing there with 3-year-old children on their shoulders. Photos and videos will show you that. Tear gas was thrown at them. Canisters were thrown at them. The further instruction is that when tear gas is thrown, it will be thrown away from the crowd and not at them. The number of injuries that happened were completely and solely because of the actions of the Delhi police, the RAF, and those who claimed to be Delhi police and RAF. The videos will also show your lordships, as has already been mentioned, that there are lathis with nails which are not one instance of any action. And I'm telling you personally, as an officer of this court, I've seen 110 videos. I sat it till the kind of bullying and madness which has captured the imagination of these people purporting to be policemen, that they wear helmets, they're wearing t-shirts and jeans, they trip up a protester who's trying to run away. And when he falls down, 4 of them get after him with batons and start beating him with lathis. This kind of excessive force, if the constitutional courts don't step in and stem, it's a license to the police to just get away with absolutely anything because they know they have the sanction of the political masters. It is here, my lords, that we must be accountable. And we need to have them explain their actions, and which is why our prayers include that apart from an SIT, an FIR against these so-called police officers and administrative disciplinary action taken against them, we need to have a judicial inquiry as well. As far as the preservation of records, I think we have enough and more records in any event. There are multiple. Today, every single human being who's walking around with a cell phone is a journalist. There is enough and more video proof. There is also, and this one is unverified, so I'm putting a caveat on it. There is a video of 6:30 on the morning of 20th, where you find a journalist being taken along with one of the volunteers who shows a car which has been parked just that night with its windshield broken, its side smashed, and he says they've brought it and parked it here so that they can blame us later that this happened. There is also another video which shows at 6:30 a.m. in the morning, a truck full of bricks and stones, which you can't see from the side, but if you climb up and look in, it's full of bricks and stones which are kept there. Nothing brought by the volunteers and the young people who were there protesting for our rights, the rights of our children and our grandchildren. And it's for them that Gandhi laid down